Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make cheesy chips in the air fryer. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to Recipethis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes and so much more, and we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipethis, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipethis family. Now, if you head over to Recipethis.com and search for Recipethis for our pre-order, then you'll actually see George kicking his sister out the way to grab some of the cheesy chips for the cookbook, because he just wanted that bit of cheese that was on top of the chips. And they were actually prepared in this container here, which is just perfect for cooking with in the air fryer. In our photo shoot, we actually used this to make a lasagna in as well, but it's just perfect for quick cleanup, and you can grab it by the handles to easily remove it from the air fryer basket. So we've already made a portion of chips, and there they are with some ketchup on for the kids. And now, because I always peel way too many potatoes or do way too many chips than we need, I've got leftovers. So after doing them for the kids, I've also got this portion of chips that you can see there, left over in the air fryer basket. So grab your leftover chips, load it into your basket, and you can spread them out a bit, place it back in, and then of course add plenty of cheese. Depending on how much cheese you like. There you go, you've got plenty of cheese there. And now it's ready for going back on. This also works very well if you've got some cold chips left over in the fridge and you just want to reheat leftovers. So we're going with a temperature of 180, which is 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 4 minutes, and then press start. And we've beat. So let's check on our cheesy chips, shall we? Oh, wow. Now they're what you call cheesy chips. Those cheesy chips are absolutely amazing. And then, like I said, you can just lift them by the handles, and then they're ready for tucking in and serving. And these are the cheesy chips. I've given them a chance to cool down. Oh, and don't they look fantastic? So let's try some now before George pinches them off. Oh, and I love how the cheese melts on the chips in the air fryer. They're so good. Any cheese that melts well in the air fryer, and put it on any of your favourite air fry foods, 4 minutes, and it's perfectly melted and gorgeous and delicious. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.